The price. Oh my God, half the price. How much is it right now sa inyo? Hi, Chantel. Gusto ko pa sana. Medyo bright. I actually have marshmallow. Ito yung gamit ko right now sa face ko. See? Wait, lapit ako sa inyo guys, para mas makita niyo mukha ko. Muted na naman ako. Shoot tayo. So yeah, I feel like I think you should go for, oh my God. I think you should go for loose powders more talaga. Like, di mo na siguro kailangan ng press powder kasi this one is a press powder. I have a press powder here kasi I noticed na people cake more if they use press powders, especially if they don't know how to use it. Okay? Hindi talaga muted, guys. Then, yun. I really think that, like, wag ka na mag-press powder if meron ka na loose powder, okay? And vice versa. I think that the loose powder is better talaga kasi hiwa-hiwalay na siya. Ang F21 na yung brush na free, no girl, wala siyang brush na free, unfortunately. Ala, ito naman, napakabuta na sa akin agad. Di pa ako tapos mag-explain. Matura, stop it. I need to explain it, guys. Please, I need to explain talaga, okay? Cancel to. Edi wow. But truly, I feel like mas better ang loose powder kasi I will zoom in again. Okay, guys, I will zoom in here. I like pressed powders more kasi when you see it, diba? Hiwa-hiwalay na siya agad. Like, oh my God, super fine agad ng kanyang powder. So, madali na siyang itap-tap-tap lang ng ganyan. Like, you just go directly talaga and it will look smooth, diba? But, guys, if you choose a pressed powder, obviously, you still need more tools. My God, I hate it. This is my favorite powder of all time. Walang papalit dito even if I try. But yeah, ito yung favorite powder ko of all time. Then, ito naman yung, ano niya, applicator niya. I hate it. Anong shade sa Miranda Basket 11? Wait lang, let me check what Basket 11 is actually. Basket 11, you are most likely 04 po or 05. 04 ginger or 05 cinnamon. Okay, so I do not like the puff of this. Oh wow, get it now. Oh my God, pero walang low-key. Ayan, I don't like the puff of this. I don't think the puff makes sense. It's pressed powder, but medyo may sense siya sometimes. But yung mga gantong puffs kasi, they're most likely gonna cause cakiness. Okay, so I use a powder brush. Kaya nga, mas prefer ko talaga loose powder kasi you don't need a lot of like focus-focus pa para maglagay na ng powder. Pero syempre, maganda rin naman may technique ka te. So, ang ginagawa ko is I swirl talaga the brush. Oh my God, I'm wasting my product. Ayan o. Then I tap into the itself. Nakikita nyo, hindi nakikita. Pero, meron siya mga particles na dinispense because of that. Then, I can pick it up with the puff na, di ba? Ang dami kong alam. Kasi ito, I actually use this powder para sa buong mukha ko, para may parang foundation yung aking lalagay na powder next time. Okay? So, ayun. Now, I can pick up the powder here na, for proof, walang ano yan ha. I can pick up the powder here na maging loose powder. Ayan, di ba? See? Amazing. So yeah, ayun ang aking hocus pocus. Okay? Kaya hindi ko talaga bet na may mili lang ako bigyan ng press powder but like, I cannot stop myself from buying the Shiseido na press powder. It's really that good. Okay? Yeah. Also, I forgot to put the strokes na naman na brushes here. I'm so sorry, dears. Ngayon ko naman yung brush collection ko, dear, ha? Kasi alam niyo naman ako, kilala niyo ako, I love me a good brush set. Okay? Also, I'm so thirsty. What the hell? Brush sets are kind of my thing. Not really, but only, I know, specifically the strokes, the brush set. Hmm. And let's actually check kung ano yung mga low stock dito, okay? Low stock products. Oh. Oh, lip liner ng Maybelline pala, dear. 12 na lang yung stock. What the hell? So, let's actually put that sa top. Kasi naluoy ko dahil. You mean 12 na lang yung stock mo? Dear, that's so sad. So, yeah, ilagay ko sa top ng Maybelline natin na lip liner. Wow, 230 siya right now. It's Maybelline's birthday, guys, by the way. And the shades suck. Oh my god. Never mind, I'm removing that because I don't like the shades. My god, ang pangit na shades nila. Now, let's see the other naman natin na, what do you call this? Products that are low in stock. Para malagay ko sila dito and ma-showcase ko and hopefully convince you guys to get it. Chareng! Sakit na sino ko, guys. But you know what? It kind of feels good. Ooh, weirdo. I kind of like the feeling may, may pain sa bibig. Oh, weirdo. Oh my god, no weirdo ako sa'yo. Whatever. Now, gel liner ng SC, 13,000 stock pa rin. I hope it doesn't. Charing! Okay, I will actually put my nearest Spot Cosmetics na setting spray sa pinakataas as well. I feel like she deserves all the hype. That's the setting spray that I use talaga, guys. Like, I swear by that. No joke. You guys know me. I really like me a good setting spray. So, ang setting spray of choice ko is, what is wrong with my music? My setting spray of choice is Spot Cosmetics. Even dati pa, okay? Lagi na lang ganyan. Kung iwasan ako ibayan, tayo nandyan. Ha! Pagbuksan ko na sana kasi kahit anong mangyayari ay hindi ako mawawalan ng pag-asa. Ayaw ko'y nangipit kung di pa sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang. Ayaw kong nabibitin, kaya mabuti pa. Napupuyat akong kakapaalala, kumain at mag-ingat kung sakaling magdala ka. Lagi sinisipat ang imahe ng dalaga na pangarap makasama ko sa hirap at ginhawa. Typical na dahilan ng tagahanga mong hindi naghahanap ng iba kahit na nababatong naghihintay. So, okay naman na. I think I'm gonna remove the ones that I don't like anymore. What is Chantel adding to cart? Ayos lang kasi may bukas pa, di na ubus yun kahit. Ayan, may na-add to cart na naman si Chantel, guys. Cheer. Ay, nako, ate ko, girl. Ayaw. Yeah, I know, you're looking at the Detail Cosmetics sa concealer, no? Yes, I like it. I have it, but honestly, I suggest getting it as a color corrector lang. Kasi, sure, the concealer is nice, but like, I think mabilis siyang maubos, at least in my case. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe I was just crazy. Okay? So yeah, I think I am just kind of insane when it comes to like makeup in general. Like in like concealer. Yeah. Every time okay. I don't normally use concealers, but every time I do get concealers, girl, best believe na she will be gone by the end of the month. Kasi, yeah, that's how heavy I am with the concealer. Sometimes I turn it into my base, especially if it's very close to my skin tone. So, I'm kind of worried about the Her Beauty na like pot concealer, but Chantel, if you're gonna get something, it should be the Her Beauty pot concealer. I'm not joking, guys. You want me to show you like how it works again? Sure, I will show you how this thing works. Okay, so for example, guys, oh my god, please, okay, ito yung